Hey, this is Jackie with Tombowl Digital Marketing, and I came across y'all's website and wanted to shoot you just a quick little video on some tips and tricks that you guys can do to start optimizing your website and getting more traffic and more customers. So kind of right off the bat, just my initial suggestion is to add some content on your site. And if you're not sure what content is, it's basically the words on the page that explains your business, what you do, where you're located. And within the content, you're going to want to put some keywords that you want to be found for. And so I did notice that you have a lot of services that you offer. And then creating pages for those individual services, you can start getting ranked for them and be found for all of your services. And I'll kind of explain why that's important. So for example, say you do like roof replacement. So then I have pulled up roofing company Dallas. And what comes up first is the ads. So a lot of roofers will run some ads. And then what comes up here is the Google Map Pack. And on the top three right here, that's with the Google My Business pages. If you haven't created one already, I would suggest doing that. And if you have, then I would suggest optimizing it to the fullest that you can. So then you can start getting ranked in this top three position for the different services that you offer. So then kind of scrolling down, I was looking at some of the top competition as far as the roofing aspect goes. And that would be Burt Roofing. And so I pulled them up in a tool that I use called Ahrefs. And I'll kind of compare the two, and I'll let you know why this is important. So right here, they have 2.36 thousand backlinks. And what a backlink is your or their website linked to another site, and it points direction back at you. And it lets Google know, you are more of an authority on your niche, and so you're going to start to get ranked. But not all backlinks are the same. Some are spammy, and then some have more authority. So you want to get the ones that are stronger backlinks. And so my suggestion for you, kind of a plan of attack here, would be to take this 2.36 thousand backlinks that they have, match it, and then continue to beat it out. Because right now I have you pulled up. So this is where you're sitting. You have 11 backlinks. Then like the keywords that you're being found for here, a lot of them are just specific to your business. Only one that really comes up is this Restoration Dallas, Texas, but you're on the 93rd position for that one. Some of the keywords that they're being found for, and this will give you an idea of the volume. There's like roofing Dallas, Texas. There's 197 people that look that up. There is Dallas roofing, 233. Dallas roof repair, 291. Dallas roofing company, 110. So basically you could add up the total volume of the keywords that you're wanting to use and optimize. And so a certain percentage of that, once you start getting ranked, is going to go to your website. And then a percentage of that is going to start giving you a phone call and turning into customers. So then I did look up like bath remodeling Dallas. And again, what comes up is the ads and then the Google My Business page. So again, you could optimize it for this as well to pop up in here. And then one of your top competitors for that is this statewide remodeling. And so they do have some content here, but by adding more and relevant content to everything that you do with the keywords, you'd start to beat them out. And then here's where they're sitting. They only have 28 backlinks, but they are coming up for quite a lot. So the backlinks that they have, might have a good authority. And then here's the keywords that they have. So kind of get an idea, like with the bathroom remodeling, which you're looking at. Bathroom remodeling Arlington, there's 209 people. Bathroom remodeling Dallas, 161. Let's see, bathroom remodeling Arlington, 140. Let's see. Bathroom remodel Dallas, Texas, 29. So just in this aspect of the services that you do, there's a good amount of volume too. So definitely could add that to like one of your service pages or something and get that ranked and be seen for all this volume and start getting phone calls. So that's definitely just a couple little tips and tricks that I had for you guys. And something that you could do, or if you need help, I could definitely help you. I would love to hear some feedback whether or not this was helpful. If you have any questions, I mean, I'd love to speak with you. We can talk on email or over the phone. My number is 423-329-7787, and I look forward to speaking with you. Thank you.